applications on your Android phone and you want to copy text, images, links, website addresses from one application to the other, normally we switch applications and copy and paste it one after the other. This process is what I say is wrong. Subscribe to the channel. Let me show you the shortcuts in getting it all done at once. You will find it in one place so that we make the most of our Android devices. Let's take a look at it. Welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, I'm Paul. What if I told you there's a hidden shortcut built right inside your keyboard that lets you copy everything at once and paste it wherever you want it? I use this every single day and it saves me hours of back and forth. It's the Android Clipboard Manager and I'm going to show you how to access it and how to master it. Let's get right into it.
One big reason many people stick with Android is freedom. You can customize how your phone looks, feels, and works. But here's the thing most people miss. Android isn't just about looks. It's about smart features that quietly makes life easier. Today, I want to show you one underrated Android keyboard feature I use every single day, and chances are you are not using it yet. Meet Android's Clipboard Manager. Whenever you copy or cut text, links, or images, your phone stores it temporarily. Most people think that's where it ends, but Android, there's something better called the Clipboard Manager. Instead of saving just one copied item, Android can store multiple copied text, save links, even hold images and screenshots. Lets you paste them later, anytime within a set period. This means no more copying the same thing again and again. Why is this feature a game changer? Here's why I love it. You can copy many things at once and paste them later. You don't lose important text when you copy something new. You can pin important items so they don't disappear. You can copy screenshots without filling up your gallery. Compared to some other phones that only remember your last copied item, Android gives you full control. And how long does Android save copied items? Most Android keyboards, they keep copied items for about 1 hour, automatically deletes them. After that, pinned items stay forever until you delete them yourself. It is simple and smart. This feature is not always turned on by default, but enabling it takes just about a few seconds. If you use Gboard, open your keyboard, tap the 4 square icon at the top, select Clipboard, turn it on. And if you use SwiftKeys, open the keyboard, tap the arrow on the toolbar, select Clipboard, and that's it. Once enabled, everything you copy shows up there. And let me give you this extra tip. You long press any copied item to pin it, and then long press again to delete or unpin it. Some keyboards even let you rearrange copied items. And finally, this Android features feel small, but once you start using it, you can't go back. It saves time, it reduces stress, and it makes your phone work for you. If this helped you, click on the like button, subscribe for more smart tech tips, and tell me in the comments, did you already know about this feature?
You know what? At this point, I'm copying everything I see on the internet, and that sounds like a great plan. Subscribe to the channel, like the video, and I'll see you in the next video.